If you ever thought you knew everything about animals, just wait until you see these facts. From deadly fluff balls to creepy crawlers that can control your mind, there are all kinds of scary animal facts out there that we should have left in 2025. But since we did on it, now you get to learn them. So, turn off the lights, grab a pillow, and prepare for bed, because here are 10 scary animal facts that we should have left in 2025. Number 10. Tiny, but deadly. When it comes to the animal kingdom, size does matter. Take the recently discovered species of spider, named Sucurius hani, also known as the yellow sac spider. This little critter is only 3 millimeters long and can be found in South Africa. But don't let its size fool you. The yellow sac spider has one of the most venomous bites in the world. In fact, its venom is so potent that a single bite can be fatal to humans. These spiders are known to inject a neurotoxin into their victims, which can cause paralysis and respiratory failure. And while they're not aggressive towards humans, if you happen to come across one, it's best to stay far away. Even though this spider is tiny, it really packs a punch. So remember, if you see a yellow sac spider, run away fast. Otherwise, you might end up in a world of hurt. No, a moth that eats your face. Imagine you're sitting outside on a beautiful summer night, enjoying a picnic with friends, when suddenly a moth lands on your face and starts eating your skin. It sounds like something out of a horror movie, but it's actually a reality for people who encounter the scary face-eating caterpillars. These bizarre creatures can grow up to 4 inches long and are known to feed on human skin. While they're not venomous and their bites aren't dangerous, they do leave behind painful welts that can last for days. And if that wasn't bad enough, these caterpillars are also known to carry a parasite that can cause serious eye infections. If you're worried about encountering a face-eating caterpillar, it's important to take precautions when spending time outdoors. Be sure to wear long-sleeve shirts and pants, apply insect repellent, and avoid areas where these caterpillars are known to live. With a little bit of common sense, you can stay safe and enjoy the great outdoors without having to worry about a moth eating your face. No 8. Mind-controlling parasites. Our next scary animal fact involves a parasite that can control the minds of its insect hosts. Meet the Toxoplasma gondii parasite, also known as the kitty litter parasite. This single-celled organism is commonly found in cat feces and can infect a wide range of animals, including birds, reptiles, and mammals. When an infected animal is eaten by a predator, the parasite's life cycle begins. The parasite then makes its way to the brain where it starts to manipulate the host's behavior. Infected animals become more active during the day and seek out high vantage points, such as the tops of trees or buildings. They also become less fearful of predators and more likely to engage in risky behaviors, such as running in the middle of the road. If you're concerned about the risk of infection, it's important to take precautions. Be sure to wash your hands thoroughly after handling soil or animal feces and avoid eating or drinking contaminated food or water. With a little bit of common sense, you can help protect yourself from this creepy parasite. Number 7. The vampire squid. Our next scary animal fact involves a creature straight out of a horror movie, the vampire squid. Also known as the diaper of the sea, this bizarre-looking cephalopod is found in deep waters around the world. With its webbed arms and large, dark eyes, the vampire squid looks like something from a nightmare. But despite its creepy appearance, the vampire squid is actually quite small, growing to be no larger than a basketball. One of the most fascinating things about the vampire squid is its ability to change color and texture to match its. This allows it to camouflage itself and ambush its prey, which consists of microscopic organisms and small fish. The vampire squid also has a unique way of defending itself. When attacked, it can release a cloud of ink to confuse its predator and escape. Overall, the vampire squid is a truly remarkable creature that reminds us that the ocean is full of surprises. No. 6. The human bot. Our next scary animal fact involves a parasite that can literally take over your body. Meet the botfly, also known as the deer fly. This creepy crawly is a type of fly that lays eggs on animals, including humans. Once the eggs are laid, they hatch into larvae that burrow under the skin and feed on the host's body fat. Botflies can cause a number of unpleasant symptoms, including pain, swelling, and redness at the site of the bite. They can also cause fever, weakness, and even death in severe cases. If you think you may have been infected with botflies, it's important to seek medical attention right away. Treatment typically involves removing the larvae manually or with the use of a special cream. Prevention is also key, and you can reduce your risk of infection by wearing long clothing when outdoors, avoiding contact with wild animals, and being careful when handling animals that may be carrying bot. With a little bit of common sense, you can protect yourself from this terrifying parasite. No. 5. Toxic toads. Did you know that some toads can be poisonous? Take the Colorado River toad. For example, this toad is found in the southwestern United States and northern Mexico, and it's known for its toxic skin. These toxins can cause hallucinations, vomiting, and even death in some cases. And it's not just the Colorado River toad. Many other toad species have toxic skin secretions that can harm humans and other animals. For example, the cane toad, which is native to Africa and Asia, has toxins that can paralyze prey, and the tiny marine toad, which lives in the Pacific Ocean, has toxins that can kill other marine animals. So if you ever come across a strange toad, be sure to admire it from afar. It's not worth risking your health to get up close and personal with one of these slimy creatures. No, killer bees. Now let's talk about one of the most terrifying animals you never want to mess with. Killer bees. These aggressive insects are a hybrid of African and European honeybees, and they're known for their highly venomous sting. Killer bees are extremely dangerous to humans and other animals, and their stings can be fatal in some cases. If you're unlucky enough to encounter killer bees, it's important to stay calm and move away slowly. If they become aggressive, don't run, because that could provoke them even more. Instead, try to cover up with clothing, or use your arms to shield your face and head. No. 3. Creepy crawlers. You've probably seen your fair share of creepy crawlies in your lifetime, but did you know that some of these bugs can actually control your mind? Take the katydid. For example, this insect is known for its ability to mimic the calls of other insects, such as the endangered Karner blue butterfly. By mimicking the butterfly's call, the katydid is able to trick predators into thinking they're actually eating a butterfly, which is poisonous. Other insects, such as the Mormon cricket, are known to produce a pheromone that causes other insects to become disoriented and lose their sense of direction. This allows the Mormon cricket to capture its prey without much effort. And let's not forget about the zombie ant. This terrifying insect is infected with a fungus that turns it into a real-life zombie. The fungus takes control of the ant's behavior, causing it to act erratically and bite the ant's colony mates. Once the zombified ant has bitten another ant, the fungus is transmitted and the process begins anew. No. 2. Creature from the Black Lagoon. The next time you go for a swim, keep an eye out for the creature from the Black Lagoon. This mysterious creature is said to inhabit the depths of the Black Sea, and it's known for its humanoid appearance and its ability to lure unsuspecting swimmers to their deaths. According to legend, the creature is over 7 feet tall and has green, slimy skin. It's also said to have webbed hands and feet, sharp claws, and a vicious appetite for human flesh. Now, there's no scientific evidence that the creature from the Black Lagoon actually exists, but that hasn't stopped people from being terrified of going swimming in the Black Sea. If you do decide to take a dip in the Black Sea, be sure to keep an eye out for any strange or suspicious activity. You never know what might be lurking beneath the surface. Number 1. Bloody tooth. Imagine you're hiking through the forest when you come across a patch of bright red mushrooms. You may be tempted to take a closer look or even sample one of these vibrant fungi, but if you do, you might just be biting off more than you can chew. Some mushrooms, such as the deadly gallerina, have a toxin that can cause irreversible damage to your liver and kidneys. Others, such as the death cap, have a toxin that can cause hallucinations and even death. So if you're not an expert on mushroom identification, it's best to stay away from these potentially poisonous plants. After all, it's not worth risking your life to get a closer look at a pretty mushroom. Well, there you have it. 10 scary animal facts that we should have left in 2025. Which facts scared you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more terrifying tales from the animal kingdom. Thanks for watching.